Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec Response Question Year 2019. Question number 45 says, welcome. This is Waec Response Question Year 2019. Question number 45 says, King Herod arrested Peter because of dash. That is King Herod arrested Peter, and Peter was one of the apostles, of Jesus Christ. Then A, he hated the apostles. B, he was the leader of the apostles. C, he was very notorious. D, James' death pleased the Jews. The correct option here is option D, because James was handed over to the Pharisees and he was killed, and the Jews at that time did not complain, and as a matter of fact they were pleased with the death of James. So in another occasion, King Herod wanted to kill Peter. So if first of all he arrested him with the hope to kill him later, but the prayer of the apostles saved him, and then later he was released. So we find the detailed explanation of this in the book of Acts chapter 12 verse 3 to 19. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.